Okay. There's probably about 10 steelhead in this little spot right here. There's probably about 3 or 4. I don't know if you can see them. Just right there. They're looking like some big old fatties. Oh, it's loaded in this spot. We got a fish right there. It's a big boy. And there's probably like 3 or 4 around here. And this one just pulled in right here. Another big king. Not king salmon, but king daddy. Oh. Oh, another one just swam over there. This is loaded. We're gonna get fishing. I'm on the biggest steelhead of my life right now. Trying to get the camera set up. What a slab right there, boys. I was trying for like 3 hours just to catch him. We're gonna let him go now. He's ready. That's nice.